Welcome to Review Rumble. The best Schick Extreme 3 is probably one of the most versatile and budget-friendly disposable razors on the market, offering a comfortable and close shave without breaking the bank, making it an excellent choice for everyday grooming needs and for those who prioritize convenience and value in their shaving routine. Number 5. Schick Extreme 3 Original Sensitive Disposable Razors. Introducing the Schick Extreme 3 Original Sensitive Disposable Razors. Designed for men who need a gentle yet effective shave. Experience a close shave without irritation. These razors are specifically formulated for sensitive skin, reducing redness and discomfort. Featuring 3 flexible blades, they adapt to the contours of your face. This ensures a smooth and comfortable shaving experience every time. Enjoy the ultimate convenience with these disposable razors. Perfect for home or on the go, they offer a fresh blade with every use. Get more value with this 12-count pack. You'll have a reliable razor ready whenever you need it, ensuring you always look your best. What we like. This razor is designed for sensitive skin. Its formula includes aloe vera to soothe and prevent irritation. If you often experience razor burn or have easily irritated skin, this is a great choice for a comfortable shave. What people say. The razor has a pivoting head that adjusts to facial contours. It features a lubricating strip with aloe and vitamin E for a smoother glide. The rubberized handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. Number 4. Harry's Original Shaving Kit for Men. Discover the ultimate shaving experience with our original kit. It's designed for a close and comfortable shave every time. Crafted with precision engineering from Germany, this razor offers unparalleled quality. You'll feel the difference in every stroke. This all-in-one kit includes a durable razor handle and 3 blade refills. Everything you need for a perfect shave is right here. Our blades are infused with charcoal for a clean and refreshing feel. Enjoy a smoother shave that leaves your skin feeling great. Specifically designed for men, this kit provides a reliable and effective grooming tool. Upgrade your daily routine with ease. Choose Harry's for a shave that's both effective and enjoyable. It's the smart choice for modern grooming. What we like. Experience precision with German-engineered blades. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip and control. If you're looking for a high-quality, reliable shave and appreciate fine craftsmanship, this kit is an excellent starting point. What people say. The razor provides a close shave without nicks or cuts. It has a comfortable grip and is easy to maneuver. The pivoting head adjusts well to facial contours. Number 3. Schick Extreme 3 Sensitive Skin Razors. Experience the ultimate closeness with our advanced razor. Designed for sensitive skin, it glides effortlessly for a comfortable shave. Our flexible blades adapt to your unique contours, ensuring a precise shave every time. Say goodbye to nicks and cuts. Infused with aloe, this razor helps to calm and protect your skin. It fights razor burn, leaving your skin feeling refreshed. Get a superior shave with this pack of 20 razors. Enjoy consistent performance and comfort, shave after shave. Specifically crafted for sensitive skin, it delivers a powerful yet gentle shave. Achieve a smooth finish without irritation. What we like. Enjoy a close shave with flexible blades that adapt to your contours. It actively fights razor burn for a smoother finish. If you need a bulk supply of razors that prioritize comfort and skin protection, this large pack is ideal. What people say. The razor provides a close shave without nicks or cuts. The pivoting head adjusts to the contours of the face for a smooth shave. The lubricating strip helps the razor glide easily over the skin. Number 2. Schick Extreme 3 Duo Comfort Disposable Razor. Experience the Schick Extreme 3 Duo Comfort. Designed for men, it delivers an exceptionally smooth and comfortable shave every time. Featuring 3 flexible blades, it effortlessly glides over your skin. Enjoy a close shave without irritation, thanks to its advanced design. The ergonomic handle provides a secure and comfortable grip. This allows for precise control, making your shaving routine easier and more effective. Each razor is built for durability, ensuring you get multiple uses. Get the most out of your shave with this reliable tool. This pack includes 4 razors, offering great value and convenience. Keep one at home, one in your gym bag, and always be ready for a perfect shave. What we like. This razor features a duo comfort system for an enhanced glide. It's designed for a smooth and effortless shaving experience. If you prefer a quick and easy shave without compromising on comfort, this convenient pack is perfect for you. What people say. The razor provides a smooth shave without nicks or cuts. It has a comfortable grip that makes it easy to maneuver. The pivoting head adjusts well to facial contours for a close shave. Number 1. Harry's Razor for Men, Shaving Gift Set. Experience a close and comfortable shave with our premium razor. Designed for men, it's the ultimate grooming essential. The handle is crafted for a secure grip, ensuring maximum control and comfort during your shave. Say goodbye to nicks and cuts. Our razor blades are engineered for precision, effortlessly gliding over your skin. Achieve a smooth, irritation-free finish with every use. Looking for a great gift? This shaving set is perfect for any man who appreciates quality and a superior shave. It's a gift they'll actually use. Add a pop of color to your grooming routine with this stylish orange razor. It's as functional as it is eye-catching. This set includes everything you need for an exceptional shaving experience. Enjoy the convenience of a complete package designed for your needs. What we like. This option offers a stylish aesthetic with its vibrant handle. It's equipped with sharp blades for an effective shave. If you're searching for a practical yet attractive gift for a man in your life, or simply appreciate a well-designed grooming tool, consider this set. What people say. The razor has a pivoting head that adjusts to the contours of your face, providing a close and comfortable shave. It features a lubricating strip with aloe and vitamin E that helps to reduce skin irritation. The rubberized grip ensures a secure hold, even when wet, for better control during shaving. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.